Today we are traveling to famous ancient Kanipakam Vinayaka temple. Kanipakam, the name comes from Kani, one and a quarter land, and Pakam, water flows for irrigation. Multiple buses services are between from Tirupati to Kanipakam Vinayaka temple in every 30 minutes daily. Good morning everyone. Hope everyone doing great. Today we are traveling to famous ancient Kanipakam Vinayaka temple. Prime deity of this temple is Sri Varsiddhi Vinayak Swami is a Swayambhu. Swayambhu means self-manifested idol. In this video, we will talk about the interesting fact about the temple, its origin, how to reach and do's and don'ts while visiting temple. Ganesha or Vinayaka idol of this temple is increasing its size. Can you imagine how the size of the idol increases constantly? The temple complex also has a well which never dries. This temple is located between Tirupati and Chittoor route from our home 86 kilometers away and 11.7 kilometers from Chittoor. We have reached Agraharam circle. Taking a right will lead to two places. After 2 to 3 kilometers, you will reach Renugunda circle. From there, taking a right and then after 1 to 2 kilometers, take left will take you towards Tirumala, bypassing Tirupati city, which is the oldest route for the people coming from Hyderabad. Going straight without left leads to Kadapa. We have to take right towards Tirchanur Chittoor route bypassing Tirupati city. Taking left leads to Chennai. We have used this route in our Tirupati Chennai trip. If you haven't watched it yet, be sure to check it out. To reach Kanipakam Vinayak temple via road, by car or by bus or by local train from Tirupati to Chittoor, then taking bus route towards temple. Multiple buses services are between from Tirupati to Kanipakam Vinayak temple in every 30 minutes daily. We are traveling in our GV Grand Vitara. We are currently in NH 71 bypassing Tirupati city until Malavaram circle where we take southwest direction towards Chittoor in NH 140. We have used this route in our Tirupati Kochi trip. If you haven't watched it yet, be sure to check it out. From here, we have to take left towards Chittoor in NH 140. Straight will lead to NH 71. Now Kanipakam is 57 kilometers, Chittoor 65 kilometers, and Bangalore or Bangalore 240 kilometers. You can see the hoarding for Kanipakam temple from here. Regarding the history of the temple, Kanipakam, the name comes from Kani, one and a quarter land, and Pakam, water flows for irrigation. Legend says three handicapped brothers, one blind, one deaf, and one mute, were farming when they hit a rock while deepening a well. Blood flowed from the stone, turning the water red, and miraculously they were cured. Digging further, they found the Swayambhu idol of the Lord Vinayaka. They worshipped it from with the coconut, and the water spread over 1.25 acres, giving rise to the name Kanipakam. A temple was later built around the idol, believing to be over 1000 years old. Even today, the well surrounding the deity remains full and overflowing during the rainy season. On the route, we have also encountered speed camera. We'll tag the location to avoid any speed tickets. Kindly check in the video description. Now petrol car also present in this location. What a beautiful view. The greenery all around and the hills in the distance. It's such an iconic scene. It's a 6-lane highway, so the tolls will be higher, but people are willing to pay the cost. Reached our first toll plaza, Gadanki Toll Plaza. Traveled almost 60 kilometers now from home. Our next time is about to come. We have to take a service route after traveling 28 kilometers from Gadange Tool Plaza. From here, the temple will be 4 kilometers away. Taking a short deviation towards left to reach Chittoor, Arangoda, Pattur Road to reach temple. After traveling 1.5 kilometers, we reach Chittoor, Arangoda, Pattur Road. From here, we have to travel another 2.5 kilometers to reach temple. This is the temple entrance and have to take right. They have one-time entrance fees. We have been charged rupees 60. You can take left from here to reach parking. We took straight as we were aware. They have ample amount of space near temple. They have VIP entrance gate. We reached around 10:30 in the morning. Mobile and cameras are not allowed inside, so we need to deposit them. Each mobile cost rupees 10 each, and we also took Athi Seegra Darshan pass for rupees 150 each. Darshan was good. You have seen the glimpse of the temple. Huge crowd was there, and we have to wait for another 1 hour due to Nijaroopa Puja or Darshanam. They have two types of pass: Sarva Darshan, which is free, and another three bars which are paid. Athi Seegra Darshan 150 rupees per person, Nijarupa Darshan 100 rupees each, and Seegra Darshan 100 rupees. We'll attach the timing of the same. As mentioned earlier, we took Athi Seegra Darshan. Still crowd was more and it took us around 2 hours only in queue. The god idol was very beautiful and the outer wall was recently completed. We also had Annudanam, which took another 40 minutes in queue and have Annudanam. It was very delicious. I suggest you should try it. There are few shops surrounding the temple complex. You can explore them. After doing window shopping, we had to collect mobile, which cost us rupees 10 each. We finally head back to Tirupati via same route. Since the road is 3 lane, driving was effortless. But still, people drive ultra fast. The trip was superb and enjoyable. See you in our next vlog. Until then, travel safely, wear your seatbelts, stay within the speed limit, and always wear helmet while riding motorcycle, both for riders and co-passengers. Take care.